This is the iPad Pro review. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Faris. Welcome back. If you guys are new here, please consider subscribing. We're gonna do a lot of tech reviews, unboxing videos and tutorials as well. So yeah, in this video we're gonna cover 3 things about the new iPad, the new features, the accessories that you can get with it as well, and who is this iPad for. To be honest, I'm pumped about this video. This is the first time ordering an Apple product from the Apple website. It looks like an iPhone 5 on steroids. It's a really nice design, to be honest. I'm a fan of Apple changing the design language, not going for the curved designs that iPad had for the past couple of years. This is a more squarish design. It not only looks great, when you hold it, it really feels so pleasant. It's not like the old generation of the MacBook Pros where it's uncomfortable to hold. One of the other features that is a plus for this tablet as well, not only does it have Face ID, so if you want to unlock the tablet, you can just unlock it in any orientation, so portrait, landscape. I also noticed that the tablet will inform you if you're covering the Face ID sensor, which prevents it from unlocking and recognizing your face. So it's a pretty cool feature. I didn't go with the 12.9 inch because I didn't want to carry a 13-inch MacBook screen all around when I go around. I prefer portability. Portability for me is a big plus. They call it a liquid retina display. That is just Apple saying that the edges of the display is a bit curved. It really is just a pleasant display to look at. Another thing for me as a consumer, I am very happy that the new iPad has a 120Hz refresh rate as well. So what that means, when you are using the iPad, the display will adjust accordingly to whatever you're using. The new Apple Pencil 2.0, it's a great complement to the tablet. It's not a need to have one, but if you're planning to edit photos, videos, or take notes on the iPad, the precision on the Apple Pencil will act as a mouse replacement. With the A12X Bionic chip, when editing videos in 4K, it works remarkably better than my MacBook Pro. I have not noticed any lag or rendering. This boosts my workflow and saves me time from waiting for the rendering to be completed. For some reason, I received the keyboard case a week later than expected. I've been using it since the day I have the case. From my usage, I noticed that the keyboard has not much travel. It is a bit awkward at first, but it's just something that I have to get used to. The pros of having this keyboard case is it can be useful if you have to do a lot of typing, for instance replying to emails, typing out documentation. This will come handy when you need it. I also appreciate that Apple went for a flat design instead of last year's double patty design. And if you have an Apple Pencil, you can just magnetically place the pencil at the side of the tablet. There is also 2 angles of which the tablet can stand with this case. The only gripe I have with this case is that the sides, top and bottom, are exposed. It makes me at times nervous putting the tablet in a bag. What I see is this iPad is very appealing to the Apple ships out there. Pro consumers and people who need work to be done and need apps like LumaFusion, Procreate, and to be honest, later in the year, Photoshop will be available in the App Store. And with this iPad having an A12 Bionic chip, that's a plus as well for the tablet. I see the target audience for students as well. Having to have all your notes in just one device to jot down notes, refer to the web, and with the iPad being so portable and capable, is just a great tool to have when you're studying. So yeah, that's the iPad Pro 11-inch review. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe for future videos. The next video, I am gonna share with you my top 5 things to get for a techie this Christmas. Alright guys, once again, this is Faris. I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya!